One of the things about being a crafter is finding items that you can actually craft with, and the best items are usually items that you can recycle, reuse, and repurpose, such as corks, aluminum foil, and these cardboard tubes that come with either your paper towels, your plastic wrap, and in other things that you buy. They're inexpensive because they're absolutely free. So I just want to show you these corks. You can see they are irregular because I dipped them in paint. So the point of crafting, for me at least, is not for it to be perfect. You don't want it to be perfect. You want it to look like it was something that was handmade and that you put time and energy into it. So that's how I like to craft. I like anything rustic, mason jars, things that you can tell that these are dipped in paint. Some people would want it to be maybe more perfect, but I like the idea of it looking like it was dipped in paint, handmade. Each piece will be individual, and you can use it on different crafts based on the way it came out. So something like this I showed in a previous video, you can actually put nail polish. So you can paint, put nail polish, and you can see how simple it is. Some people may want to make it really intricate. They may want to put other things on it. I can even imagine people putting little rhinestones on it. You can do it whatever way you want, but my purpose is to show you the idea and to let you know that anyone can do this. You don't have to make it perfect. So you see how that can be used in another craft. You could also take these, and to me this would be a way of keeping them organized, and when you're ready for a project you don't have to paint the whole thing. So what I did was a quick and easy project. I just took the plain corks and I made a coaster. If I want, I can also paint this any color, and it's so simple. Do you see what I mean? So you don't have to overthink it. The fun thing about crafting is that it should be fun. This isn't something that you're going to put in a museum. It's something that you're going to enjoy and put in your home. So these are a few ideas with corks. So you can use it as bowl fillers, use it to make items like corks, cork boards, coasters, reefs. So many ideas with that. Paint them, change them up. This is a great idea. I did a video where I showed you a pair of boots. I stuck this right in the boot to keep the boot from flopping over. So if you have some boots at home and you don't want them to lose their shape, put this right in the boot. Some people on YouTube have videos where they use this as a jewelry display. They cover it with fabric. So many ideas. All you have to do is check YouTube and you'll find a lot of ideas of what you can do with these cardboard tubes. Now this is a quick and easy, I'll call this a quick and easy DIY, but some people call it a little trick. If you have yarn and you're using it for a display piece, instead of using and buying a whole lot of yarn, or in this case jute, use just plain old aluminum foil. Crumble up a sheet of aluminum foil and use that as the base, and then start to wrap your yarn or jute around it. So you're not buying a whole lot of this, because it gets expensive if you have several that you want to make. And that's a great way of saving money. So I hope these little ideas help. If you have other ideas, feel free to leave comments at the bottom. Thanks for watching. See you soon.